and welcome to StHealthy Nutrition. I'm Dr. Hillary Lampers, co-founder of StHealthy Nutrition. Today I wanted to talk with you about a very common problem and conditions that I see as a clinical practitioner. Many people come to the doctor because they have chronic gut issues, things like abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, gas, constipation, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome. The list goes on when it comes to gut health. And doing clinical practice for the last 17 years, I've realized that the gut is very foundational to your overall health. And what that means is, like, if you were to build a house, you always lay a foundation. And if for some reason something was to go wrong with that foundation, let's say there becomes a crack in the foundation, everything else in the house starts to go a little bit haywire. Like the electricity, the plumbing, the structure might start having problems. And so we think about the gut really as that foundation. And when there starts to be problems in that foundational system, we can see problems in all other systems: cardiovascular system, nervous system, structural system. And it goes to show you just how integrated your body is with all the different systems in your body. So I know that's a little redundant, but the gut is very important. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some products that I've created to go along with a program that I put together a number of years ago for the Stealthy Hunter and the Hunt Harvest Health community. It was a free program called the Gut Restoration Program, and it's basically been used in naturopathic medicine for decades to help people get their foundational gut health kind of reset. And so I created this program, put it online, and we had thousands of people download it over the last couple of years. And along with it, we used some supplements to help support that program. Now, the foundation of the Gut Restoration Program is really diet. And so cleaning up your diet, choosing the right foods, and eliminating the foods that could be causing you to have some of the problems like allergies, all those other symptoms I talked about. And really just overall, our diets tend to be really highly processed, full of sugar, dairy, gluten, and we want to eliminate those things for about 4 to 6 weeks. So that was how that program was laid out. When I started StHealthy Nutrition, I realized I probably should have my own gut restoration stack, because so many people download that program and use it. And I wanted to have something that was really easy for you to get and order along with it, as well as products that I feel are the best for what we're trying to accomplish with the Gut Restoration Program. So I'm just going to go over a few of those products here. There's 4 core products that are in the Gut Restoration Program, and they kind of work on different parts of gut health. So the first one is Digest Plus. So when you eat food, digestion actually starts in your mouth. Digestion means breaking things down into smaller pieces. So when you eat carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, you break them down into smaller pieces, basically glucose, fatty molecules that attach and absorb through the wall, and then as well as peptides and amino acids. So if you eat like protein and you're not able to break your protein down into those peptides and amino acids, you're not going to get great absorption. So absorption is different than digestion. Digestion is breaking down. Absorption is obviously absorbing through the intestinal wall, maybe it's through the stomach, etc. So Digest Plus is a digestive support supplement that has a few very unique things in it. So it has betaine HCl. Betaine HCl is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is in your stomach, and it helps with the breakdown of your proteins into smaller peptides so they can go into the small intestine. And it also, hydrochloric acid is really important for you to fight off Really, it's your first line of defense. So have you ever wondered like how much stuff you've eaten that you wondered how you never got sick from eating it, right? Because your hydrochloric acid is going to kill most things like bacteria, viruses, anything that's food poison related. Most of the time it kills it before it even gets into your intestine. And so, you know, in a lot of cases, you would think food poisoning would be a lot more common than it is, but that's because if you have ample HCl, you can kill those things. Now, in today's society with poor diets, processed food, lots of sugar, alcohol, etc., your hydrochloric acid, and actually as you get older in age, it goes down. And a lot of people have low stomach acid. And so they're just not breaking their proteins down well into these peptides and amino acids. And so they're not able to properly absorb these things. So this Digest Plus is going to help give you that. It's also got pancreatic enzymes in it that are going to help once the food gets into the small intestine, the pancreas secretes enzymes to further break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And so this has that in there as well. And this also has a special enzyme that helps you to break down gluten. So obviously, if you have celiac disease or some kind of severe gluten allergy, you don't want to be eating gluten. But a lot of times our food has hidden gluten in it, etc. Or maybe you can eat gluten, but you want something to help break it down so that you don't have those gluten proteins irritating the gut wall. So this has some of that in it as well. So this is a great product to take with every meal. So in the gut restoration program, I usually recommend that you take one of these before each meal, large meal. You don't need to necessarily take it with snacks or whatever, but you take it with each large meal and it will help break your food down, give you hydrochloric acid, and help with that continued proper absorption of the nutrients from your food. So that's Digest Plus. It has a lot of great effects. And then the second one that we think about, so when we do digestion and absorption, that's mainly happening in the small intestine, right? As, again, we have these poor diets and over many years, we can have damage to our gut lining. That includes the stomach, well, the esophagus sometimes, the stomach and the small intestinal barriers can become compromised. And you've probably heard of leaky gut. Leaky gut is something that we've been talking about in naturopathic medicine literally for as long as I can remember, but it's just now coming into conventional thought that there is a process where the gut barrier has been compromised and now you're absorbing things into the gut and into the bloodstream that you're not supposed to be. Protein is a great example. Again, you want to break your protein down into all the way down into amino acids, and that's what you should be absorbing through your gut wall. If you have leaky gut and the junctions of your gut are not tight anymore to basically protect that internal system, they kind of open up like this. And then you can get large proteins and etc. going into the blood system. And what does that do to you? Well, it can cause things like allergies. Sometimes people notice before they could eat a certain food and now they eat it and they get hives or they get allergies or they get itchy or they get headaches or the list goes on. Gut pain, bloating, gas, all these things. So we have a product that helps to specifically support the gut lining, and that's really important, especially in the gut restoration program. We're eliminating those poor foods because you need to be able to eliminate the offenders and then heal the lining. And so this product, GI Restore, has very specific products that are going to help you heal that lining. There's demulcent herbs in here like slippery elm and marshmallow root. They actually coat the stomach, the esophagus, the stomach, and the intestinal tract. And they're kind of slimy, kind of sounds gross, but they help to heal the lining. There's also things like zinc carnosine in here and glutamine. These are nutrients that the cells of your gut utilize for energy and healing as well. So this product is really important. It's a very key piece of the gut restoration program. And you take this a couple times a day without food. It's best taken without food because we want it to get in there and do its work without your body doing the process of digestion and absorption at the same time. So the GI Restore is something that's kind of that step 2 for healing the gut lining. Now, The third thing we want to think about is the colon. So the small intestine then turns into what's called the large intestine, which is the colon. And in there, we have what's called the microbiome. I'm sure you've heard this before. The microbiome has definitely become a key word out there, especially with gut health. And what we're looking for with the microbiome is what's called good abundance and diversity. We want to have a number of different bugs that live within the colon that help us to process all kinds of chemicals, as well as they need to be fed with fibers and healthy foods so that they can live and thrive and help you to be basically to help you be healthier with your gut. So one of the big things with the colon is that you want to think about supporting those bacteria. We have what's called the immune support probiotic, and this is a spore-based, a soil-based probiotic, and it's mainly what we call bacillus strains. It's got bacillus strains in it, and this comes from soil. One of the big problems with probiotics, a lot of them don't have what they say in them. So if you go and you just buy cheap probiotics at the grocery store or the health food store, they might not have exactly what they say in there. Also, a lot of people are deficient in these strains of bacteria, and a lot of probiotics are made out of dairy. So if you're dairy intolerant or you have dairy problems and you're taking probiotics that are cultured with dairy, you could have a problem from that as well. So I like the spore-based. I think it's generally can be used for everybody. Most people will see benefit from it. And as you can imagine, food comes from the soil, most of it, right? Like food that we're growing. And our soil is so depleted these days. And so getting these soil strains is really helpful to those bacteria that you have. So the immune support probiotic is also helping. The microbiome supports your immune system. Remember, the gut, 80% of your immune system is in your gut. So we're supporting your immune system when we're supporting healthy bacteria, healing your gut up, digesting and absorbing your foods. So something to think about. This is also something that you can take nightly. I'll just have patients take one before bed every single night. So while they're sleeping, it's colonizing their gut, and it can help with all kinds of things, especially chronic diarrhea and or constipation. So this is a great one. And then the third one that I've added in has to do with the liver. So as you're doing this gut restoration program for 4 to 6 weeks, and you're stopping the foods that are offending you, you're eating more nutrient dense, whole foods, you're trying to heal up all this damage that's been done to your gut, your liver is doing a lot of work. If you think of your gut lining as your first defense, you want to think of your liver as your second defense. When those products get through the gut lining, that blood is then taken to what we call first bypass of the liver. It is taken to the liver to be cleaned out, and then that clean blood is, with the nutrients and everything else, is sent to the rest of the body to support your organs, grow your hair, regenerate your skin, etc., etc. So the liver is an amazing organ. Throughout your life, the amount of abuse that your liver takes is quite remarkable. Most people actually die with a healthy liver. So you want to think that it does over time though need support. And in some people very specifically, if you're having a lot of gut issues, you may not be able to detox properly. And so the liver is slow, maybe it's not working as well as it should, maybe you've got inflammation, maybe you've got infections, etc., that are stressing the liver out as well. Remember, your liver also processes and makes things like cholesterols and all your steroid hormones. So it's a very important organ. So I have this product called Detox Plus. And what this is this is a product that's going to help support your liver while you're cleaning all this up. And it also has, this product also helps other systems like your lungs. It will help your skin. Remember, your skin is your largest excretory organ. It's going to absorb everything you put on it. It's also going to excrete as much of it can through the skin. So if you think about liver, think about kidneys, and you think about skin as ways that your body eliminates waste. The great thing about this is the NAC, N-acetylcysteine, is helpful again for those liver cells, cleaning them up, because it makes what's called glutathione. NAC is the precursor to glutathione, and you make glutathione from NAC in your body. It's a very potent antioxidant made by the liver, and it protects your body and detoxes your body from almost all the contaminants that you have in your food and in your environment. So it's very important. And some people don't make glutathione that well. And so the NAC in here can help you make it. Glutathione, you can also buy glutathione, but it's very poorly absorbed through the gut lining. And so it's actually better to get the NAC and then have your body make the glutathione. And it's cheaper as well. The other thing that this has in it, this has specific herbs for the liver. So if you think about your liver cells like the drain in your sink, you have that, you have the filter in your sink that all the gunk, when water goes in, you're doing dishes or whatever, the gunk goes into that filter and it catches the food, and then the water goes into your drain, right? Because you don't want all that food down your drain. Well, if you think of a liver cell kind of like that strainer in your sink, all the blood's going to come in first bypass. It's going to clean up all the chemicals, all the gunk, all that, and then you're going to get nice, clean, healthy blood coming out of the bottom. And I know for those of you who are hunters and who have seen livers in action, you know that when a liver gets damaged, they're very bloody, right? There is a lot of blood in a liver. That's because all those cells are in there filtering the blood. And so the liver is a very interesting organ. It's very nutritious, and it's highly dense in things like B vitamins, vitamin C, selenium, etc. And it's okay to eat liver because the liver is not an accumulator. It is not accumulating waste, it is clearing out waste. So that's one thing. People get worried about eating organ meats, and actually the liver is cleaning itself out all the time. So something like Detox Plus is going to help you do that. It's going to support the gut restoration program, and overall it's going to help all your kind of excretory organs as well. Kidneys, lungs. I didn't mention lungs before. We also excrete through the lungs, and the skin. This is also something that you can take daily. So I actually take this daily because we're all basically bombarded with chemicals, with plastics, with things in our food that aren't so great. And so the Detox Plus is going to help you to just help your digestion, help your liver work a little bit better, and help give you that NAC to glutathione that's going to help you clean up. So this is in the gut restoration program. This is the stack that we use. Again, supplements are just that. They're supplemental and they're supportive. Foundationally, you always want to focus on diet. And that's why the program has been so successful, because we've been able to help people change their diets, change the way they feel, improve their gut health, and the supplements come in and they help support those systems that need that while you're doing it. All of these products can also be taken singly away from the gut restoration program like I talked about. And if you have specific conditions and you don't want to do the whole gut restoration, maybe you need help with your gut lining. Maybe you just need to digest your food every day and to help with gas and bloating. Or maybe you just need a great probiotic and a little bit of liver support. So these can also be used daily at any other time. So I hope this has been helpful. The gut restoration program is free at StHealthyNutrition.com under programs. You put your email in, you'll get that program for free. And of course, all the supplements are there as well.